Welcome to 1 Pound Email. In this episode, we're talking about useful tools for checking DNS. When you make changes to your DNS settings, the time it takes for those changes to fully propagate across the internet can vary significantly. While some updates may reflect in just a few minutes, others can take several hours to complete. This variability is due to factors such as DNS caching, the TTL settings of your DNS records, and the specific configurations of different DNS servers around the world. Recommended tools for testing DNS configuration. To help you ensure that your DNS configuration is set up correctly and to monitor propagation, we recommend using the following tools. Into DNS. This tool provides detailed DNS report analysis, helping you identify any potential issues with your DNS records. MX Toolbox, a versatile tool that allows you to check DNS records, MX records, and other important configurations, making it easier to troubleshoot problems. By using these tools, you can monitor your DNS changes and verify that they are working as expected. If you need more assistance, contact our support team or check out the written version of this guide in our knowledge base. Thanks for watching. Check out onepoundemail.co.uk.